So let's just see how we can check if two binary trees are identical or not. So here we have one binary tree. Now we can have another binary tree. So this is the tree 1 and this is the tree 2. Now here in this case we can visually say that both of the trees are identical. But there has to be one process, there has to be some algorithm that we should follow so that we can apply the same thing for larger tree and we can tell that both of them are identical or not. So to check if two binary trees are identical or not, we should perform some comparison. So first of all, we should compare the data of nodes of both of the tree. So we're gonna compare the data. Then we're gonna compare the left subtree of both of the tree, and then we're gonna compare the right subtree of both of the trees. So if we found that the data of both of the tree are same, the left subtree of both of the tree are same, and also the right subtree also same, then we can say that both of the trees are identical. Now to compare them, we're gonna start from this root node. So first of all, we're gonna compare the data of both of the node. So you can see the data is same. Then we're gonna compare the left subtree of both of the trees, and then we're gonna compare the right subtree of both of the trees. So this way we have to recursively compare the data of all the nodes, and then we have to compare the left subtree and the right subtree. So if all of them matches between both of the trees, then we can say that both of the trees are identical. So here we have the function to check if two binary trees are identical or not. So the function takes the root node of both of the tree. So first of all, we're gonna check if the root 1, that means the root node of the first tree, that is null, and the root 2 is also null, that means the root node of the second tree is also null. When both of the trees are empty, then we can say that both of the trees are identical. So we're gonna return true. So next we're gonna check if the root 1 is null, that means if the first tree is empty, or the root 2 is null, or the second tree is empty. So when one of the tree is empty, then we can say that they are not identical. So in that case, we're gonna return false. Now after that, we're gonna recursively compare the data of both the tree, the left subtree of both the tree, and the right subtree. So here first of all we are comparing the data, then we are recursively checking the left subtree, and then we are checking the right subtree. So this way we're gonna recursively compare both of the trees, and if they are equal, then we're gonna return true, that means they are identical. So here we have the function. So first of all we have defined the node structure, and this is to create one new node, and this is our function to check if both of the trees are identical or not. Now inside the main method we have created the first tree and the second tree. Now to check both of the trees are identical or not, we can simply call the check identical function, and here we're gonna pass root node of the first tree and the root node of the second tree. Now if they're identical, then we're gonna print identical, otherwise we're gonna print not identical. So currently both of the trees are identical, so it should return identical. So here we have the output as identical. Now let's just make some changes. So in the first tree, so we're gonna add another node 4. Now if we check if they are identical or not, so now it is showing they are not identical. So this is the way we can check if two binary trees are identical or not. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.